So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will cover introduction to Netcat, the Swiss Army knife of networking. Okay, so basically when what if I told you there is a single tool that can create network connection, transfer files, scan ports and even set up backdoors. Okay, sounds powerful, right? Welcome to Netcat, the Swiss Army knife of networking and cybersecurity. In this video, I will introduce you to Netcat, show you what it does and why it's a must-have tool for ethical hackers, network admins and penetration testers. Okay, so what is Netcat? Explaining you, Netcat, often abbreviated as NC, is a command line tool that allows you read from and write to network connections using the TCP and UDP protocols. It's also a lightweight, fast and extremely flexible. Think of it as a networking multi-tool. Okay, basically if I am in my Kali, see I am using two OS today, basically Parrot and my Kali. As you can see, the Netcat is there too. For downloading Netcat for Windows, you can download Nmap and it comes redirectly with Nmap pre-installed. Okay, if you will download Nmap for Windows, then Netcat will be automatically there. Okay, so there is no any secondary file for Netcat for downloading it. It comes with Nmap. As for my first video, part 1 of Nmap, you can Netcat, part 1 of Netcat is there. You can watch from my playlist of Netcat so that you can learn something much more about Netcat. Then only watch this video for better understanding. Okay, for installing Netcat on any different platforms like Linux, you can use commands like sudo apt install, but before nc, which is used for seeing Netcat manuals, pages and all. For downloading Netcat here, if you are in Debian or Ubuntu, you can use sudo apt install nc or Netcat dash y for doing yes for anything. So it is already installed in my Kali machine or Parrot. So as I will show you the demo. Okay, so now I will use Netcat basically for setting up a connection. Okay, so basic nmap Netcat command I will use nc-lvp, then the port. Okay, let's try this simple command. Basically L stands for listen here, then V for verbose output, source connection details, and P for port. So here 44 and 44 is my port, okay, which I am taking for listening purpose. See, this command is for listening. Okay, I have make one sender. Okay, I make one port which is in a listen mode, like I will use my Kali here for connecting with that listening port. Okay, so for that I will need IP of that particular listening OS or machine. Okay, see I am telling the IP of that particular machine. Okay, don't need the IP of your own OS, you need the IP of your Parrot. Okay, see as I am using the Parrot machine here, so I need the IP of that particular OS. Okay, so the connection is built here basically, and if the connection is built, you can then type anything, you can chat. Basically it's a communication tool, you can do anything. Okay, see as I write here some lines. Okay, if I go in my Kali, then you can see the same thing is written there. Okay, so as my connection is built, I can chat and transfer my communications and all files and all. You can do anything. Now I will show you much more easy way of using it. See, I write another thing, like go hit the subscribe button. So that's also written here, and if I shift in my Parrot, then also you can see that it is done, but you need to be in a same port. Okay, you type in the terminal will appear in the other, then basic you can type and you can just share anything. Now you can use Netcat for file transfer too. Okay, I will show you one of the hands-on guides. So here follow. Netcat can also transfer files between two computers. Okay, let's try. For that I'm using my Kali. First time I will make my file. Okay, basically it's a text file, you can just write anything, it can be any other file too. For demo purpose I'm showing as a text file. I will share with it my in my Parrot. Okay, I will share my Kali's text file in my parrot. So how you can do that I will show in this video. Okay, for that you can use the sender machine and the receiver machine. Here's the sender machine is my Kali, as it has the file. Okay, so Kali will be my sender. So for that sending purpose, the command will be as you can see the file which I have made just now, file.txt. Okay, so for sending that particular file to my parrot machine, you will require a command which is like nc. Okay, nc, then the IP of your second OS. Here it is parrot. Okay, so I am using nc 10.0.2.4, which is my IP of parrot. Okay, then the port, then less than, see the file text is in my desktop. Okay, so you need to specify the path also. Okay, for that I will prefer to be there where your file is, as my file is in desktop, so I am in desktop. As I have written the command here, less than file.txt is my file, and here 4444 is the port and the IP is there, and NC stands for Netcat. Now before sending you need to make someone listen. Okay, if I am telling something, the second person must be there whom I can tell, as I can't tell anything alone. Okay, so there must be a second person. For that I will set up my parrot in listening mode. So here I have set my parrot in listening mode, NC as LVP port. Okay, listening on any 4444. Okay, so now I can use my Kali to send that file to parrot. Okay, see I have hit enter, then the file will be sent. Let's see what will happen. Okay, see I will go in my parrot OS, then you can see the file is here. It's hi, welcome back and stay blessed, everything is there in the file. I've just done that. Okay, so for the real world use case of Netcat I have shown you everything. You can also do things like troubleshoot, network test, open ports, ping servers. Okay, file transfer, port scanning, reverse shell and bind shell, chat services. I will cover all this in my upcoming videos. So hope you like the video. If you learned something new, then hit the subscribe button. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.